Do you want to protect your WordPress website from hackers attempting to log into it? You may or may not be aware that hackers utilize bots to attempt to brute force websites, and most WordPress websites have the login page at the same position, which is their domain name /wp-login.php. Also, if you type the domain name /wp-admin, you will be redirected to the same login page. As a result, hackers may have an easier time targeting the login page of your website. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to install WPS Hide Login, a free plugin that lets you modify the default URL of your login page. This plugin provides us with the ability to change the URL or slug to anything we want. In that case, it would be your domain, with whatever / you choose. In this scenario, the bots have no idea what that is. Your login page isn't linked anywhere on your website. Whether or not this is true depends on your theme, but hiding your login page is a big step towards website security, therefore we're going to hide the login page and we're getting started right now. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. Here we are at the WordPress dashboard, and I am going to the Plugins folder. Click Add New. Search for WPS Hide Login. It is the first one in the top left corner. Click Install, and then Activate. I just want to warn you that before installing the plugin, always make a backup first just in case something goes wrong. Okay, good. Now go to the Settings folder and look for the new entry, WPS Hide Login. It's here at the bottom of the page and you are able to change the login URL and also set a 404 page if someone hits the default login page. The plugin, by default, changes the name of the page to login. So let's save the page and test how it works. First, I am going to log out. As you see, now we have a new login URL with the login page, just like in the plugin settings. Also, if I type wp-admin, I will be redirected to the 404th page. Let's log in again. This time I am going to change the login page to something completely different. For example, I may change the page to Hi User. Click to save the change, and let's make another test. At this point, I want to advise that you always keep a note of the new name of the login page because you won't be able to log in if you forget it. As you see, we have a new login URL. So, with the WPS Hide Login plugin, we have a very simple and free way to protect our WordPress login page from hackers. That concludes our tutorial for today, and I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.